everyone, welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making clean out the refrigerator chicken casserole. So I had mushrooms and onions, I had corn that we did on the grill, and I had some roasted carrots, and then I had some fresh asparagus in there. And what I did was I just started browning my mushrooms just with butter, and then as soon as I started softening up a little bit, I added fresh onion, and after that I added a little bit of fresh garlic. And then I just kind of cooked it down, and then I added the asparagus right at the last minute. I probably cooked it for about 3 minutes in here, because when it goes into our casserole, it'll cook another 45 minutes. But use what you guys have if you're in a hurry. Frozen vegetables like peas and carrots, or the vegetable mixture one, go ahead and use that. Let's start by adding 1 stick of butter to a 9x13 pan. You're going to place it in a 350-degree oven, and all we're going to do is melt this butter. We want it melted. Alright, so now that your butter is all melted, be careful, your pan is very hot. You're going to put your chicken on top of the butter, just a rotisserie chicken that I took the chicken off the bone. Make it easy on yourself, unless you have a lot of leftover chicken from something you made before. Use whatever you want. And just make sure you get it all broken up. Okay, then you're going to pour your vegetables over the top. Don't mix anything. This whole recipe is no mix. Okay, put that over there. Like I said, you can use any veggies you want. I just used what I had in the fridge, and I didn't want to throw them away because they were from the farm stand. And you know, with winter coming up on us, we live in Ohio, we're not going to have really fresh veggies. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take 2 cups of milk. Alright, once you got your chicken and your veggies in, now you're going to take 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of your mix. And I'm just going to put the whole package in, because it literally is like maybe a quarter of an ounce left. So I just add the whole thing. You're going to add it to a bowl. You're going to add the seasoning packet with it.
Who doesn't love them biscuits?
Okay, just add the seasoning packet. And we're going to add our milk to that, and we're going to whisk it together. So let me rinse this out so I can move on to the next step then. Okay, let me whisk that together. If you don't cook your veggies and stuff ahead of, if you're just going to use frozen, this recipe will go really fast for you.
Someone not pictured in the video wanted mushrooms.
Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Now pour that over the top. Remember, don't mix it.
Make sure you get it all too. Can't waste any of them biscuits.
Okay, now you're going to take 1 can of cream of chicken soup, put it in your bowl. And then you're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay, add that to your soup mixture. And then we're going to whisk it again really well. See a little bit of, maybe not. Okay, and then you're just going to pour that over your milk mixture. Just make sure you leave enough headroom so if this puffs up a little bit, it doesn't go over your pan. So if you have too much in the pan, make another one.
You never have too much of this.
Alright, so now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for, let me see, 45 minutes. Now, it says that you're going to cook it 45 minutes uncovered, and it will be jiggly in the middle, but set. Once it's like that jiggle, take it out, let it sit 15 minutes before you cut into it.
Yeah, you'll see like a little bit of gravy in the center of it.
Right.
But that's fine.
Right. Alright, so this took exactly 45 minutes in the oven. It's set for 15 minutes, and that's it. It's ready to serve. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.